So the next thing that we're going to do is talk about how ChatGPT can be used for entertainment purposes. So we've been talking about ChatGPT and how it could be used for writing, how it can be used to enhance the tones and to help us gain back some of our time. So ChatGPT is a great time saver, and it's also great at adjusting the tone or analyzing the tone of an email. But ChatGPT can also be used to enhance your personal life as well. So to enhance your everyday life. Aside from the professional aspect, ChatGPT again can provide information based upon users' responses or people's feedback, because it was basically online for 2 years. So it had access to a bunch of databases. So if it's something even as simple as asking ChatGPT where to buy the best steak in New Jersey, initially ChatGPT again will remind us that it is an AI language model and it does not have access to personal experiences or opinions. However, it does provide us with some of the more popular steakhouses in New Jersey. So it was able to pull from a large database and give us popular steakhouses in New Jersey, which is great. We could also ask it for a good book to read. And here it's asking for a genre, and I really wanted to give me a list. So I'm going to tell it to provide me with options. All right. So here it's given us a list of 10 books to read. And this again has come from its database and its ability to learn that it has used to learn from these databases. So it was even able to give us a list of good books to read. Let's ask it to suggest a good movie. I'm going to say drama. Okay, so it says The Shawshank Redemption from 1994. Okay, let's ask for a list of the top 10 movies. And keep in mind that the list will come from its best ability, which even though it has March 2023, it's still limited to 2021. All right, so it's given us, wow, and apparently Shawshank Redemption is the best drama movie. It's still number one, so that's awesome. Let's ask for a list of places to have a 10-year-old's birthday party. Okay, so here I asked for options for a 10-year-old's birthday party, and it's giving me laser tag, bowling party, arts and crafts, pool party, movie night, sports party, cooking or bakery party, science experiment party, dance, karaoke, and even a video game party. These are all probably things that a child that was turning 10 would love. So let's take this even a step further, and let's ask ChatGPT to help us plan this 10-year-old's birthday party. All right, so do we have a particular theme in mind? No idea so far. it did ask probing questions, which is great. So I'm just going off of the top of my head. No, I don't have any ideas. And it is now presenting us with a list of 10 ideas from the options that it gave us earlier. And here, let's say that we want to go with DIY pizza party. Oh wait, no, this scavenger hunt looks kind of fun. So let's ask for help planning the scavenger hunt. All right, and here it is immediately giving us a list of things to do in order on how to go about planning this birthday party. So the next thing that I want to do is say I have no idea what kind of theme I want to do for the scavenger hunt. Let's ask, it's given us a list of options, but let's ask for a longer list for scavenger hunt themes. So here we've asked for a list of 10 scavenger hunt themes for this birthday party. And now it's given us a list to choose from. So this will be great. This art scavenger hunt sounds really fun. So step one was to choose a theme, had no idea what it was going to be. And so we asked ChatGPT, and now we have decided on the art scavenger hunt. So next, make a list of items that the kids will need to find during the scavenger hunt. All right, still probably no idea. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make the list for us. And again, here it's given us some ideas, but we'll probably need more ideas than what is provided in these short snippets. So when you are talking to ChatGPT and you're asking it to do something that needs details, you're going to have to start with the bigger picture. So first, we started with the idea that we needed some ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday party. And then we asked from that list, we took it a step further and we asked for a list of scavenger hunt themes. And now we're asking for a list of things that you can find in the scavenger hunt that we chose from the last step. So next, it tells us to write some clues that the kids will need, write clues that will lead the kids to the items on the list. So we're going to see if ChatGPT can help with writing the clues. And here it's given us a nice written out list of how we can hide these clues around and a list of clues that the kids can use to be led to this specific item on this scavenger hunt list. So let's see what is next. Next, we'll need to hide the items and the clues in different locations around the party area. So here, it probably won't be able to help us hide the items, but we can ask ChatGPT to provide examples of where to hide the items. All right, so here it has generated a list of examples of where to hide these items. Now, let's see if we can ask ChatGPT to create us or provide us with the next thing on the list, which is a map or a set of instructions that will help them find the items or the clues. So we're going to see if ChatGPT can create a map or a set of instructions. It will probably create a set of instructions that will help them find the clues. And let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. All right, and it has given us yet another example, which is great because it has given us a set of instructions that can be used to provide our kids with to find these clues, which is great. And set a time limit for the scavenger hunt and provide a prize for the team that finds all of the items first. So let's now ask ChatGPT for a list of prizes, a list of ideas of prizes for our kids. All right, so I just went ahead and said create a prize list. All right, nice. And now we have a list of 10 items that we could now give away to the team or the child that completes the scavenger hunt. So ChatGPT has just been used to help us to plan a birthday party. It has given us pretty much step-by-step instructions on an amazing activity that we chose from a list that it provided. And if we were to choose any of these other ideas, it would pretty much require the same process. So if we chose karaoke party, we would ask for the steps for planning the karaoke party. And we would ask for the songs that we would play. We would ask for the details in a way that would slowly get more detailed and more specific as we continue to follow the steps that were originally provided to us by ChatGPT. So had we asked ChatGPT to plan 10-year-old's birthday party, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's just go ahead and say plan the full birthday. Now, because it has the ability to retain the information, we probably won't get the same response that we would have received if we asked it to, and we didn't. We're not getting the same response that we would have gotten if we would have asked this question first. However, because now it pretty much knows what we're going to do at the party, so it's pretty easy for it to plan it. And this is actually the same list that it gave us from the beginning. So ChatGPT has effectively helped us plan a birthday party for a 10-year-old, which is amazing. Next, let's go and see about some fun things that we can do with ChatGPT. If it's not planning, if it's not sending emails at work, what are some of the things that we can do that are still fun with ChatGPT? So ChatGPT can also be used for entertainment purposes, such as playing games or telling jokes. ChatGPT has a wide variety of games and activities that it can play, and it can even generate jokes and stories to keep you entertained. So let's take a look at some of the things that ChatGPT can provide us with for entertainment.